And we're back. Hi guys. First of all, I want to thank our Lord Jesus Christ for this day, for a blessed day. And we're here to review and unbox this figure. This is Bandai figure Son Goku, the Super Saiyan God Blue. This is the SH Fig Arts. There. Son Goku. Now we're going to open the box. You open it at the side here. And we need to look at the figure itself. There. Uh, Goku is on a plastic tray. Ayan. It has extra hands, extra face. So you can change his face. Or mong palitan. Ayan yung mga kamay. Ayan siya. So, we'll remove the plastic cover so you can see it properly. There. There's Son Goku. There's the extra face. Actually, it's a head. Yeah, it's just a face that you can change. So you will pose him like he's charging up his Super Saiyan mode. He's on his Super Saiyan mode. Yan. Hindi mong palitan yun. Yan. Kunin natin si Goku. Yan. Goku is really poseable. Got lots of articulation. Yan. Pwede mong taas yung shoulder. I-bend yung elbow. Yan. Pwede mo rin i-ano yung torso. Iikot. Yan. Kung gusto mong kunwari, nag-spinning back kick siya. Yan. Even yung legs and yan. Yung thighs, yung knees, yan. Yung paa. Yung foot niya, pwede mong iikot. Yan. Pwede mo siyang i-ano kung paano gusto mo, kung pwede siyang nakasipa. Yan. Ito yung kanyang toes, pwede mong i-bend din. Yan. Yan. You can do a lot of pose sa kanya. So, pwede mo siya itayo, pwedeng nakaupo. Yan. So, maganda yung pagkakagawa. Yan. Then, if you want, pwede mong palitan yung mga kamay niya. Ito. Gusto mo yung kakamihamiha siya. Ayan. Or yung te-teleport siya, pwedeng ito. Ayan. Pwedeng yan ang ilagay mo. Yan si Goku. Super Saiyan God Goku na blue. Kasi meron din Super Saiyan na red. Yung purple ba or red. So, that's on another video. Ayan. And there you go. Please like and subscribe at my channel. And follow me at TikTok. And thank you for watching. Bye!